Hello everyone, welcome to Robinson's World. Today we are tackling another beginner friendly Python project, a program to count the total number of words in a text file. This is a fantastic exercise for working with files and understanding how Python handles strings. Ready? Let's jump right in. This program takes a text file as an input, reads its contents, and calculates the total number of words. Imagine you have a book in a text file and you want to know how many words it contains. Let's write the Python code step by step. First, we'll create a function that reads a file and counts the words. Here's how it works. File.read function reads the entire content of the file into a string. Content.split splits the string into a list of words based on white spaces. Length of words counts the total number of words in the list. Next, let's allow the user to specify the file they want to analyze. This makes the program dynamic, allowing users to count words in any file they provide. Finally, we will use the function to count the words and display the result. This checks if the file exists. If it does, the program displays the total word count. Let's test it out. I will test this program with a sample file called sample.txt. The program reads the file and outputs the total number of words just like that. Okay. Here showing total number of words in the sample text.txt file is 7. Okay, we can see that one. This is the file. Python 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Python is fun to learn and use. So this is the file and it is correct. Reading 7. Now that you have created the basic program, here are some ways to enhance it. Display the number of lines and characters in the file along with the word count. Exclude special characters or numbers from the word count. Allow the user to analyze multiple files at once. Add a feature to ignore case-sensitive duplicate words and show unique word count. Save the results to an output file for record keeping. For instance, to include line and character counts, you could add these lines to the function. Let's run this program again. Line 1, character 31, total number of 7. Total number of words in the sample text file is 7. Here line is 1, total number of characters we can count it, and yes. And that's it. You have built a simple yet powerful program to count the total number of words in a file using Python. Projects like this build your skills with file handling and string operations. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and subscribe to Robinson's World for more Python projects. Got any suggestions or questions? Drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.